Selena.
Hello, my name is Melissa.
What's up? I'm Kim, and
We're your executive assistants.
If you could be any vegetable, what kind of vegetable would you be and why?
Carrot, because I love carrots, and I would be the best vegetable here. Actually, we would all be cucumbers, because we are cucumbers.
Am I supposed to laugh right now? I would like to be Brussels sprouts because I really like them, and then they look cute. Okay, they're round, and then they're like great. So
I would be an eggplant because that's my favorite vegetable. Like seriously, it's actually my favorite vegetable.
hi guys, I'm Asian, and I squat.
So a high for being an EA is that you really get to help the division behind the scenes. You get to plan everything and make sure that our members have a really good experience. But a low is, for me personally, a low is all the emails you get. Emails, okay, well, I can go a whole rant about this. So you get a lot of emails when you're an EA. You get emails from the secretaries, advisors, the rest of the DLT, and you also send out emails. Sometimes people don't really acknowledge your emails that you spend your time on, and that's okay. That's okay. You don't have to focus on it. It's okay. That's a low for me because sometimes emails are very important, but it's okay. People don't check their emails. That's all.
Okay, a high, one of the highs is probably being able to work closely with the lieutenant governor and kind of being a little bit in charge of some.
Technical problems.
As I was saying, one of the highs as being an EA is being able to closely work with the lieutenant governor and kind of having a little bit more responsibility and the ability, being able to do more, not difficult, but tasks that require more work. So that's kind of one of the highs, and one of the lows I would say is communication. Sometimes it's really hard to communicate with other people, and you have to, it's one of the biggest things you have to work on, and
Alright, for me, I think one of the highs is definitely just being able to improve yourself in so many aspects. Like, you get leadership skill, you get communication skill, and then you get to know how to write professional email, you know how to communicate with everyone, which is very important. And you just know how to prioritize time management, stress coping. There's just so many advantages that you can get from being an EA. And one of the lows for me, I would say it's balancing everything out, because as students we get a lot of work, and then as EAs we also get a lot of not a lot of work, but you still want to put your timing in, and you want to dedicate yourself to it. So balancing your life is very important, and that's probably one of my lows.
We're gonna be Division 2 West.
we're going to go back to red.
Yes.
We're gonna have avocado as our mascot.
Red avocado.
Red avocado.
Okay, next one. What's one word to describe the DLT and one word for the division?
One word.
Driven. Chaotic.
Cute.
And for the division?
We're buzzing.
Spirited.
Okay, now for each of you separate people, we have some requests. First, Kim, can you do taekwondo moves?
I can take on
Come here.
Okay.
Come here.
Come on. We're not doing that. We are not doing this. No, we are not doing this.
This is gonna hurt him.
You're gonna
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
This is a practice.
Melissa, can you sing or dance for us?
Let me know, do I still got time to grow? Things ain't always set in stone. That be no, let me know. Seems like streetlights glowing happen to be just like moments passing in front of me. So I hopped in the cabin, I paid my fare. See, I know my destination, I'm just not there in these streets.
Okay, do you have any special talents you would like to share?
Yeah.
I can rap in Chinese. Like,
我的发弹是